watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As we welcome the arrival of spring, it's the perfect time to infuse your home with the timeless charm of cottage-style decor. Let's explore some delightful elements that will bring the essence of spring into your living space. Gathering baskets. Hang baskets filled with fresh or fall flowers on walls or doors for a countryside vibe. Use thrifted finds to create a whimsical display reminiscent of wildflower gatherings. Straw hats. Add texture and depth to your decor with straw hats, evoking the feel of a sunny garden. Watering cans. Symbolizing the essence of spring, repurpose old watering cans as vessels for flower arrangements, bringing a nostalgic charm to your home. Flowers and stems. Whether real or faux, flowers instantly evoke a springtime atmosphere. Use them as centerpieces or wreaths to brighten up your space. Galvanized metal. Incorporate galvanized metal indoors for rustic charm. Look for vintage buckets or pails to hold fresh blooms or as decorative accents. Various garden items. Repurpose old garden tools and vintage seed signage to add character to your spring decor, telling stories of seasons past. Lighter throws and linens. Transition to lighter throws and linens for a fresh, airy feel. Opt for breathable fabrics and remove heavy blankets to embrace the lightness of spring. Vintage artwork. Infuse your space with the nostalgia of vintage artwork, adding character and personality to your living areas. Rustic wooden crates. Score vintage wooden crates to use as unique centerpieces or display shelves, adding a touch of rustic elegance to your decor. Pastel accents. Introduce soft pastel hues through cushions, throws, and decorative accents, lending a gentle nod to the season's palette. Cottage-style furniture. Incorporate cottage-style furniture pieces with distressed finishes and floral patterns to evoke the cozy charm of cottages. Herb garden. Bring the outdoors in with a mini herb garden, housed in rustic pots or vintage containers, adding both beauty and functionality to your kitchen or windowsill. Lace curtains. Enhance the romantic ambience with delicate lace curtains, allowing natural light to filter through and infuse your space with a soft, ethereal glow. Tea sets and porcelain. Display vintage tea sets and porcelain dishes as decorative accents, adding an elegant touch of tradition to your spring decor. Bird cages and birdhouses. Incorporate bird cages or decorative birdhouses adorned with fall birds and nests, symbolizing the awakening of nature in spring. Whitewashed wood. Create a light and airy feel with whitewashed wood accents, such as picture frames, shelves, or furniture, evoking the simplicity of country living. Wicker furniture. Introduce wicker furniture pieces, such as chairs or side tables, for a relaxed and casual vibe that complements the cottage-inspired decor. Vintage kitchenware. Display vintage kitchenware, such as enamelware pots and pans or glass milk bottles, as charming decor accents in your kitchen or dining area. Dried lavender bundles. Add a touch of Provencal charm with dried lavender bundles placed in rustic containers or tied with ribbon, infusing your space with a soothing fragrance. Garden prints. Hang framed prints or botanical illustrations of gardens, featuring blooming flowers and lush greenery, to bring a touch of outdoor beauty indoors. Embrace the enchanting allure of cottage-style decor this spring, as these charming elements breathe new life into your home. With touches of nostalgia and rustic elegance, create a cozy retreat that celebrates the beauty of the season. Corner spring decor. Keep it simple and minimal.